Do you have a garage door? Then you should watch this. Hi, my name is Kelly Gower and I'm a realtor and mortgage broker in Southern California. But I do more than just sell homes. Follow me and I'll help you get the most out of your investment. Just spray a little bit everywhere where there are moving parts. When spraying the spring, I like to use an old piece of cardboard to protect the wall, but you should also carry a rag around with you just in case. You don't have to get it in the spring. Just get it on top of the spring like this. Just a little bit here and there, because we're gonna roll the garage door up and down. And that's how you do it.